In today's episode, I would like to cover the use of the Portuguese word pronto. Pronto is on every Portuguese native speaker's mouth when having a spontaneous conversation. I'm sure you hear it a lot. Do you usually have a hard time understanding what it means and when it is used? I'm sure you do. So today I'm here to help you feel more confident on how to use the word pronto. If you enjoy my content, check out my Patreon page to access my exclusive premium content. My basic tier starts at $1 a month. If you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate if you could support me. Estão prontos? Vamos começar! Pronto can mean ready, ready to, ready for, okay, there. And it is widely used as an interjection and as a power word. In this case, it helps you catch people's attention when starting to speak. Pronto, vamos começar. Okay, let's get started. Or concluding a speech. Pronto, foi isto. There, that was it. People also tend to use it as a filler word. Let's say when speaking from the top of their minds, giving them time to think while putting words together before saying them. The same way English speakers do with the words well or okay. An interjection is a word used to express an emotional state. Therefore, pronto can be used as a self-explanatory indication of surprise, distress, joy, resignation. In this case, it is always followed by a comma since it's expressing a mood but not interfering with the main idea expressed on the subsequent clause. Pay attention that, in this case, pronto does not vary in gender nor number. Let's look at some examples of pronto for this situation. O jogador principal lesionou-se no jogo. Pronto, a época está terminada para esta equipa. The main player got injured in the game. Okay, the season is over for this team. Olha, filho, tenta encontrar o sítio desta peça no puzzle. Pronto, já está. Muito bem. Look, son, try to find this piece's place in the puzzle. There, that's it. Well done. Eu queria comprar um carro novo, mas pronto, não tenho dinheiro suficiente. I wanted to buy a new car, but well, I don't have enough money. Another very interesting use of pronto is as a soothing word to calm someone down. In these cases, we tend to use it twice. Pronto, pronto, we say. Caíste, João? Pronto, pronto, não chores mais. You fell down, João. It's okay, no need to cry. Pronto can also be used in fixed expressions. Here are some popular examples. Pronto a comer, as takeout food, ready to eat. Gosto da comida da secção de pronto a comer do meu supermercado. I like the hot bar food at my supermarket. Pronto a vestir means literally ready to wear. Vou abrir uma loja de pronto a vestir. I'm going to open a clothing store. Next we have pagamento a pronto or a pronto pagamento, as in, paguei o meu carro a pronto pagamento. I paid cash for my car. Se fizer o pagamento a pronto, tem 5% de desconto. If you pay cash, you get a 5% discount. Pronto socorro is another example of a fixed expression, and in European Portuguese can refer to a tow service. Tive de telefonar para o serviço de pronto socorro porque o meu carro ficou sem bateria. I had to call the towing service because my car's battery died. Pronto is also an adjective. It means ready. When used like this, it needs to follow the gender and number it's referring to, as any other adjective in Portuguese. Have you ever seen this meme of Marilyn Monroe? She said she'd be ready in 5 minutes. Estou pronta em 5 minutos. Pronta because she's a woman, feminine singular noun. How about when we are rushing in the morning? What do you ask your children? Meninos, estão prontos? Estamos atrasados. Kids, are you ready? We're late. Prontos because meninos is a plural masculine noun. If you have a hard time with Portuguese filler words, I also have a video explaining the word pois if you struggle with it. I hope you feel more comfortable using and understanding the word pronto from now on. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a like and a comment. Share with me if you struggle with the word pronto before. I'd love to hear from you guys. Até a próxima!